guys, I have Colin here with me because we have a new box and we are going to do some taste testing.
Yes.
So this is from a company called the Biscuit Baron, which is located in the UK, but they do ship all over the place, as I am in Los Angeles here. So they shipped to me. However, this is how it got here. It's in a plastic bag with an open box, and I don't know what happened here, if it was Royal Mail or US Postal Service, but something bad happened. I'm hoping that the biscuits inside were unharmed.
All right, so here we are. Dunk and discover. It's already been dunked.
I know, right?
It's been pre-dunked.
It's a little mangled here, but that's
Right.
okay. That's okay. All right, let's open her up.
All right, and we've got our British Builder's tea to go along with it.
Yes,
So
it smells a bit musty.
we're fully set.
Yeah, this box does not come with tea, but they do recommend drinking tea with your biscuits.
Vaniglia?
Vaniglia.
V-A-N-I-G-L-I-A.
That, oh, hey,
Looks
look,
Italian.
Italy. This box
Yay.
is from Italy.
That's why I can't read anything.
Italian themed. So each box will have a different country's theme. And let's see, we have lots of information on all of the things.
It's got the population of Italy on there, just in case you were...
Yeah, just info about the country. And let's see, each box contains 5 to 8 full-size packets of biscuits with 1 savory option included, a scorecard for you to rate each biscuit on scales such as dunkability and texture, and a fact sheet with information on the country and any notable history.
Yeah, it's very British, by the way. They give you a little chart where you can write everything down. I'm a little sad it's not like in a Google spreadsheet that I can rate it against everybody else's. I'm a little sad about that.
You're
but
so weird.
That's legit right there. All right.
All right, so the first thing on our list is Amarettino, a flavor which translates as a little bitter and can, oh, that doesn't sound good.
Scoffability? I'm assuming how many you can eat it, like how many you want to eat. All right, let's try it
I
out.
would not have guessed that. This is gonna go down in like the Americans eat British food section.
Yeah. Well,
Okay.
British, yeah, Italian.
Oh yeah, I guess so, huh?
Ah!
What happened?
Well,
Did it attack you?
all right, I'm gonna give it a 6 on texture. Right. Scoffability, I don't actually want to eat a ton of those. I'm giving them a 2. Dunkability, these things get a -400 for dunkability. They are tiny, so you're very apt to like put your fingers in. And then as soon as you eat half, it is like soaked it up. And so as soon as like you turn it over, it like dunks it out on you and attacks you with it. So not my favorite so far. Taste, they get a 5 on taste. They're pretty good. They're not my favorite though.
Huh.
Not my favorite.
Okay, I think that they are perfectly dunkable. They hold their
Well,
shape,
here, you gotta...
but I'm a dainty little lady, so I didn't shove my whole man hand in my teeth. And they have a nice crunchiness.
They're
I like
crunchy.
the almond flavor. I love almond stuff.
Mm-hmm.
I think they're good. I could eat a whole bag of these.
All right, so you give them high ratings.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, what's our next one?
Some-
Pizza style.
Yeah, pizza style. Which ones are the pizza style?
That's going to be these.
There are many sweet versions produced around holidays, such as Christmas and Easter. We have provided a flavor synonymous with Italy. Pizza.
All right, little pizza flavored cracker thing.
I'm a little nervous about dunking this.
No, don't dunk that.
Well, I have to try. It has dunkability.
Oh, Lord, if you want to go there.
For science. Never said I didn't do anything for you, Internet. I actually like it a little better.
Really?
Yeah.
They're quite dry.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they're very dry. It's like pizza crust that you've left out overnight because you were at a party and you had the pizza there. And you were supposed to put it, and you woke up in the morning and you're like, oh my god, I didn't put the pizza away. That's that crust.
It's a weird combination, I'm not sure, but yeah, they almost taste like croutons.
These are good. These get all
Okay.
10s. Yeah. I'm putting 10s on your side too. I don't even care. I'm gonna vote for you. All 10s.
They're
Those
good.
are delicious. Tenerezze Lemon. Described by the bakers of Italy as a fragrant and crumbly short pastry containing a tender filling of velvety lemon cream to give life to an irresistible biscuit. These soft lemon biscuits remind us of the center of a Bakewell tart. Help me out here, people. I like when they tell me it's like something I've never had before, but lemon flavored.
They smell good. I love lemon things. They're a bit crumbly, but they seem to have mostly you know, fared okay in the mail.
Super good on their own.
Oh, they're softer than I was expecting.
Yeah, super good. Those all get 11s.
I don't know if these are dunky because they're very soft and crumbly.
No, you just gotta do it fast. Yeah.
But, because I dunked my first one, and it's not that it was bad, it was just, you know, I'm afraid this is going to just fall into my tea.
No, these biscuits definitely go to 11.
That lemony, gooey center. It's like lemon curd in the middle of a soft shortbread cookie.
Yeah, super good. All right, let's try these random... Oh, no, we're going down. These are the pan de Stelle. Typically eaten as a breakfast biscuit, hell yeah, alongside a glass of milk. These, they're called, translates to starry bread. Were one of the first biscuits produced by the Molino Bianco brand. They are a chocolate pastry biscuit made with cocoa and hazelnuts decorated with sugar stars. Hell yes.
I'm so excited.
With the idea of representing the night sky of the Italian countryside, and yet they're served for breakfast. Something representing the Italian night sky made out of solid sugar is for breakfast. I'm gonna try it with and without. A little crumbly.
Very light. I can see why this is a breakfast cookie.
No, it is basically an Oreo. Okay, fine. Maybe an Oreo after you've ripped out all the center stuff, but still. Those aren't bad. They actually black.
What?
Yeah, the tea made it worse. Like, okay, I could see how milk would be good.
Yeah.
But the tea cut it down to an 8.
Or coffee. I want to eat these with coffee.
Texture is super yummy. Stuffability, I would eat the whole bag and give them a 10 for that. Dunkability, they're fine, but it ruins it. Gives those guys an 8. And a taste, yeah, overall I'd say a 9. Those are super good. Yeah, those are my third favorite right now. But the other ones,
the stars are so cute on here too.
The stars are very cute, and I would happily have those things for breakfast with milk. Let's go with the Ringo Cookies. Constructed under the guidance of pediatricians and dietitians. Man, I'm already sad about these.
These are good for you cookies? Is that what you're telling me?
Ugh, I'm not happy about these. We're aimed at children and teenagers. Yeah, so we're cigarettes in the US. And designed to provide energy, but not be heavy to eat. Anyway, they've got like a nice little R on them, and they look good. Super good.
I think I'd like these better with milk.
I don't know, I liked them with the tea. I thought they were fine.
No, they're not bad with the tea
because
at all. They are good and dunkable.
Yeah, they're very dunkable. They're super sweet, so the tea kind of calms that down a little bit, whereas I think milk wouldn't. Because the other ones, they needed some milk to kind of soak up the dryness of them. But no, these are good. I give all these a 9.5. Millefoglie? Sure. Multi-layered pastry similar to the French millefoglie, and are vanilla slice and are often sandwiched or topped with a sweet filling. Common as a savory item that are frequently enjoyed in a version consisting of pastry layers with a spinach and cheese or pesto. We have provided a plain buttered version for you to enjoy on their very own or with a topping of your choice. Maybe
yeah, it looks like phyllo dough, like with spanakopita with cheese and spinach.
Oh.
And, you know, like that's what I'm thinking. But this is...
Hell yeah, these look good.
Sweet. They're crispy though. Very flaky.
Very flaky. Super good. Yeah, I immediately want cheese and spinach topping on this. Like a nice melted cheese over the top.
I actually like that more than I thought I would.
Whoa, that kind of exploded in there. I need a strainer for the rest of that tea.
I don't know if I could eat too many of these.
No, I'd eat that entire thing. Well, I'd eat it if it had a topping, because they feel like they need something on them. And now I just have this vision of cheese on the top of them, so there's nothing I can do about that.
Are you hungry, honey?
A little bit. I'm going to give those all a 10, and the only reason they didn't get higher is because they don't have cheese on them. But those are super tasty. They're a little flaky, but I like the flakiness. They dip really well. Yeah, those are super good.
So according to your ratings, you liked the lemon cookies the best.
I did.
This is a fun box.
So $20.
Yeah, not bad. You get a lot of stuff.
Yeah, I'm super impressed with this box. This has really been, it's been pretty cool. So
Absolutely.
I'm excited to keep trying these out. So see what other countries have for biscuits.
Yeah, I think that's fun that they change up the theme every month. You're not just getting biscuits, you're getting Italian biscuits, German biscuits, you know, whatever. I think that's fun, and I like it, and I love it. I'm a big fan.
Excellent.
Awesome. Okay, well, I will leave all of the information in the description box where you guys can get your own biscuit box. Also, if you prefer coffee and cookies, I just did a video on another box that has that, so I will link that in the description as well. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!